Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to stash the changes and then we are going to apply it to a new branch. So let's see the Git status, and working directory is clean. Then I'm going to see the branch, only one branch is there, that is the master. And then let's see the apple.txt file, this is empty. So I'm going to write some data into this file. So line 1, line 2 and line 3. And going to write it into apple.txt file. Now let's read the file, and here we have 3 lines. Now let's check the Git status. So here we have one modified file. Now we are going to stash these changes, and now this change we are going to apply into a new branch. So now let's check the Git stash list, and here we have one stash. And then if I'll read the apple.txt, this is right now empty because we are in master branch. And now let's apply these changes to a new branch. So git stash branch and new branch. Here you can see it switched to a new branch. Then on that branch it has applied the changes, and then it deleted the stash. So let's add the changes, and I'm going to commit these changes into this new branch. So git commit and content added to apple.txt. Now let's check the master branch. So I'm going to check out the master branch, and here I'm going to read the apple.txt file. This is still empty. The changes has been applied to a new branch. Now let's check out to the new branch, and there we are going to read the apple.txt file, and here we can see all 3 lines are available here. Now let's go back to the master branch, and here we are going to create the merge request. So git merge new branch. This will add the changes from new branch to the master branch. Now let's read the apple.txt file. We can see 3 lines. So thanks for watching.